Teammate.
Round starting.
Teammate, here. There you go. Hi.
Oh my god.
Oh, my teammate is murdered.
You're not like that, bro. You were not like that. Bro, you were not like that.
Yeah, bro, he's not like that, bro. He's not like
You were
that.
not like that, bro. There's no way we're trying wall jumping. Are you stuck?
Shh. You can't shotgun me! Stop it! That's not even fair, man. You can't just shotgun me like that, man. I gotta win this match.
Round starting.
What am I doing? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Hello there! Yeah, get stabbed! Get stabbed, buddy! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. My life is over.
Oh my god. Oh my god, why can't I switch?
Killed one.
Come on, teammate.
Got one?
It's up to you. Come on. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Yeah! Never mind! I didn't have my AR out. I had my pistol out. Alright, teammate, let's go. I believe in you.
Round
Kinda.
starting.
Not really. I'm getting double teamed right now. This is...
Yo, you there? Did you die?
Good job, teammate. Good job, teammate. Behind you, teammate. Behind you, teammate. Right there. Right there. Get him. Get him. Get him. You're half health. You're half health.
No,
Be careful.
motherfucker. I'm terrible at this game, bro. I had this
You're
game for a
fine.
day.
You're fine.
I've been playing for an hour.
You're fine, bro. You're fine.
Round starting.
You did better than I did, and I've been playing a lot longer, so. Hello there!
What
Death time for you, buddy.
the, what the fuck? Oh my god, someone's following me.
Hello! Trick shot!
Freak, I'm out of ammo.
Kaboom! Kaboom!
I'm sorry, I've ran out of ammo.
We've run our first round. Let's go. Let's win another.
Round starting.
Gotta hide on this pumpkin.
Yo, go right.
He did, he did, he did.
Got him, I killed him.
You got him? Nice! Let's go.
Round starting.
We gotta win one more and we'll catch up to them. Where are they? Nice.
I killed one.
One. Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. Oh,
He's behind you. He's behind you.
I know.
I'm probably gonna die. I'm probably gonna die. You have to kill him. I'm probably gonna die. You have to kill him. He dead. Let's go! Nice. Nice teammate.
Let's go, come on.
Let's go. We're locked in. We're locked in.
Round starting.
That's gonna get him. Go, baby. Teammate, I'm gonna die.
Other guy's low. Other guy's low. Other guy's low.
Yo, right there, right there. Get him, get him. He's low, he's low. Shotgun guy's low. Shotgun guy's low. Aw, dang it.
Oh no, I died. No.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. We have one more chance to catch up to them. We have to win this match. We have to win this match. Yo, stay together. Wait, where are you?
Round
Right
starting.
here.
Stay together. Nice. Got one.
They're apart. They're apart each other. The other one's on the other.
I killed one. I killed one.
Other one's on the side. On the. I know where the other one is.
Where?
Over there. Where I'm shooting. He's over there.
He is?
Yes. He might be going.
He's right there,
around,
he's right there.
going around. Oh, he's not. Bro, get me. No,
Nice.
it's not letting me switch shotgun.
Let's go.
Stop.
Nice.
Come on, it's neck to neck. Stay together. Stay together.
Round starting.
Where are they? They're over here. Behind the graves.
Oh my god. Give me a damage one.
I got one. Right there. Yes! Let's go! We did it!
You got your bonds! You got your
Wait. Chill.
You're blind! Oh my god, you're fucking blind! We're blind! You're saying we're blind, bro! You're so fucking blind!
We won. Wait, what? Yo, GG's though. GG's.
Yo, hell no, bro.
He's just joking. Oh, okay. Yeah. See you later, bro. Alright, I'm playing one more match, guys.
Oh, hell.
Well, actually, I'm gonna
not
play some off
breaking
camera,
you guys
but, you
got
know,
double shot.
if I make the video last too long, you guys don't watch it, so, you know. I'm playing one more match, and, let me know if you guys want me to, play this game more often. I really only play Bone Lab on this channel, so let me know if you want to see more of this.
What do you? Get your fat ass in the damn.
Should I do a 3v3?
Yo, get out.
Yo, let's do 3v3s. Come on, 3v3s. Come on, this side. Come on. Let's go. Alright, one more match. We got one more match.
Pray that you get one kill. Pray that you get one kill.
I'm praying, bro. I'm praying. Don't worry, I'm praying. Yeah, we're definitely gonna lose. Yeah, we're definitely.
I was just with you.
Oh, actually. It's just... yeah, it was
Round
just.
starting.
It said pray that we get one kill, so I'm gonna pray that I get one kill. I'm scared. I have no ammo.
Yeah, buckaroo, pray, bro.
Hey, that's mean. Hey, that's mean.
Round starting.
Not very nice words. You guys are saying. You know that. Hey, kill this little silverback. Behind you, buddy. Right here.
Whoa.
You're just sniping me all the time, man. Hey, these people are toxic. We got this. All we have to do is put our minds to it. Let's do this, man.
Round
Watch.
starting.
It's gonna hit them, baby. Wow, I knew it. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this situation now, man. You know, just because you play Gorilla Tag doesn't mean you're gonna win, bro. Dude, this one guy in a white hat is insane. This guy in the white hat is insane. Yo, listen, we gotta stay together. Go this way, trust me. Trust me.
Round starting.
This guy's gonna die. Nice. There's one more guy. I got him!
Oh my god.
Yeah!
We won one round. Lucky as hell. You guys are lucky.
Yeah, I know. We're lucky. Yo, we gotta go this way again. Trust me.
Alright, lock the hell in. Lock the hell in. Double team. Triple team.
Round starting.
So we want a triple team. Why am I lagging? I'm lagging so much. Yo, you have to keep moving. Mama, Timmy, die!
Nah.
I was lagging. Please.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Shut the
everyone go
bitch
this way.
face.
Everyone go this way.
Round
Yes.
starting.
Just a couple days.
Like, dude, you know, guys, no, I'm not trying to be. You're not trying to be mean. Not trying to be mean to you guys. Not trying to be mean to you guys. Not trying to be mean. Not trying to be mean, but you know that snipers and shotguns are not skillful weapons, right? You know that snipers and shotguns aren't skillful weapons, right? No, not trying to be mean. That's crazy. Yeah, guys, I have to play one more game because, you know, I just got obliterated by people abusing shotguns and snipers, so. One more game. One more game! Yo, 1v1 me. Big monkey, big monkey. 1v1 me. No, not you. I don't want to 1v1 you. No, him. Big monkey. Bigly monkey. This guy. Andrew Dingus. I want to 1v1 Andrew Dingus. Let's go, Andrew Dingus. Come on.
Why do you want to 1v1 me?
Because your name's Andrew Dingus. I feel like it. Haunted
Why do
Mansion,
you
Haunted
want to
Mansion.
1v1 me out of everyone?
Because your name is Andrew Dingus. That's why. Who wouldn't want to 1v1 Andrew Dingus?
I'm gonna lose every time.
But like your name is Andrew Dingus though, so you're 1v1ing me. This is by the
starting.
way, this is my favorite map in Animal Rivals, Haunted Mansion. You just gotta
Round starting.
pew, kaboom. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kablow. Slice with a knife. Slice with a knife. Slice with a knife. Slice with a knife. Hey,
Yeah, I'm not winning.
don't worry. I believe in you. You can win if you put your mind to it.
Round starting.
Boom, kaboom,
Yeah, I
kaboom,
lost.
granny.
Yeah, I got hit with a grenade.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm gonna die.
No, why am I staying so? What?
Oh. Oh. You know, I would add music to this video, but this game actually has some pretty fire music, so
Round
less editing
starting.
for me. Oh my gosh! He's right here! Oh, oh!
No, I'm gonna lose every single time.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna let him win. I'm gonna let him win, guys. I'm gonna let him win.
Round starting.
I feel bad. Oh no, the grenade hit me. No. Oh.
Wow, I actually killed you.
Oh. No. Yeah.
Round starting.
Oh no. No.
Ow, my eyes.
I'm gonna let him win. I'm gonna let him win. I've said it like 5 times, but
Round starting.
oh no, oh no. Guys, watch this. Rest in peace, my granny. Dude, why am I saying rest in peace, my granny? Literally, why? That meme is from like a year ago. Jeez. Something like that. Hello there. And I'm dead. And I'm dead.
Yes.
And I'm dead. He's doing good. He's doing good, guys. Now watch this. I'm gonna go.
Round starting.
Let me go this way. Camp on the door. No, I'm gonna kill him. Yeah. I'm over here. Hello. Where did you go? He's gonna be over there. And kaboom! Yeah! 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 Come on. Go, 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 go.
Round starting.
Go! Slice. Slice with a knife. 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 Help! Slice with a knife. Slice with a knife. Slice with a knife. Slice with a knife. Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. Oh, the shotgun's so annoying too.
How do you use the shotgun anyways? It's the worst gun in the game. I hate it.
Round starting.
I mean, like you said, it takes no skill to use, so it's perfect for me.
Oh. Oh, you were there.
Ow! Hey!
Man.
Oh, he left. Alright. Anyways. That was pretty fun. If you guys wanna
No, I don't have
Dang.
it.
Get up.
Gonna let
Alright.
me win, and he didn't.
If you guys wanna see
Yo, get off.
Wait, you heard that?
Yo, touch
Yep,
me again.
I heard that.
Oh, yeah, he's a game.
Okay, if you guys wanna see more videos like this with Animal Rivals,
Oh,
You mean more videos where he lies?
yeah. If you guys wanna see more videos where I play Animal Rivals,
You're so fucking bad!
alright, see ya.
Alright, get the freaking